Take out your counting coins book, and you're going to need a brown crayon and a gray crayon. And then I want you to choose a crayon that's any color that you want. Okay, so 3 crayons. But make sure you also find your brown and your gray. Okay, then you're going to need your dime, your nickel, and your penny. Those are going to be helpful for completing this page today. And you'll need your pencil for writing your name and the date at the top. Okay, so the last page that we did, we were counting dimes and pennies. So this page, just because we're so smart, now we're going to be doing nickels, dimes, and pennies. So counting by 5s, 10s, and 1s. So write your first name at the top. I'm just going to write Snowy because it's a shorter line here. And then today's date, last day of April. April has 30 days. So we're writing the 4 for April. It's the 4th month, a little dot. And then 30. Okay, and then the year is 2020. So April 30th, 2020. And you'll see the first question, or the first amount of money on this page, I should say. It says 12 cents. Okay, so we're going to start with our gray crayon, and we have to count first by 5s. So we're looking at the 1 there. That 1 is 110, like 1 dime. So 2 nickels make a dime. So that would be 5, 10. So we can't color any of the other nickels, but we need to color 2 pennies. So whatever is right here, the second number, that's always going to be your pennies. Unless it's a 5, then that would be your nickel. But we'll see what happens as we move along. Okay. So the next amount says 18 cents. Okay, so we have to count by 5s first. So 5, 10, 15, because that's our nickel, right? Okay, so can I do one more? 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 is too high, so I have to stop at 15. So now I'm going to use my pennies to help me count from 15 to 18. So I have 15 cents, 16, 17, 18. So 3 nickels and 3 pennies equal 18 cents. Okay. We're going to go down to the next one. We still have only the choice here of nickels and pennies. They haven't put dimes in our choices yet. So we're just going to work with our gray crayon and our brown crayon here. 21 cents. Counting by 5s because we only have nickels. Let's 5, start with 5, 10, 15, 20. So we've got 20. Then it's asking for 21. So counting on from 20, 21. That's it. We stop right there. Next line, 24 cents. Okay, so we only have nickels to choose from. So again, we need to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. And we're going to count on using pennies now. 21, 22, 23, 24. And that's it. That's the same amount. The next one is saying 19 cents. So we only, nickel, penny, we get to add our dime in here. Okay, so there's a dime. There is 1 dime right there. You'll see that that matches the face right there. So this is where you get to choose any other color. And I chose a blue crayon. So I'm going to color my dime. So that's 10 cents. Okay. Then I'm going to color my nickel with my gray crayon. So 10 plus 5 is 15. If I colored another nickel, that would be 20, which would be too much. So I have to stop right there. So I need to use my pennies to count on from the 15 cents that we colored. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So did you get that? This is counting by tens when we count the dimes. This is counting by fives when we count the nickels. And this is counting by pennies, by ones when we count the pennies, okay? So that's 19 cents. So if you have a dime, a nickel, and 4 pennies, you have 19 cents. The next one, we have the dime again. And we have 1 dime. And we need to color 21 cents. So we're going to color that 1 dime, and that will give us 10 cents. That's 10 cents is the same as 2 nickels, okay? So there's 10, 15, 20. Okay, no more nickels because we don't want to go to 25. We just need 21. So 10, 15, 20, 21. Okay. You're doing great. Stay with me. We've got 2 more. Okay. And the next one we have a dime, nickel, penny, and they're asking for 26 cents. So we do need to color the 1 dime because we want to start with that 10 cents. Then we're going to count on by 5. So 10, 15, 20, 25. So we're going to count on from 25 by counting by ones. 26. 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. That is 26 cents. Okay, go all the way down to the last problem. We're almost done. You're doing great. Let's get 29 cents. So we know we have to color that 1 dime so we can get our 10 cents in. Then we're going to do 10, 15, 20, okay. Then, oh, we can color this, 25. That's easier. Okay, so 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, but we need to get to 29, so we need to do pennies too. So count on from 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So if you have a dime, 3 nickels, and 4 pennies, you have 29 cents. All right, so thank you for sticking with this, making it to the end of this page. It gets a little bit more complicated when you're adding 3 types of coins, so bravo to you for sticking with this today. Please give yourself a very happy exit ticket at the top of the page. You did great.